how to use Google Meet for voice and video calls. So if you want to use Google Meet for voice and video calls, then make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you don't have Google Meet on your device, then you just need to simply go for your Play Store and make sure to install the application first. So go for the search and search for Google Meet. Once you've searched here, you will have the application, right? So if you don't have this application, simply tap on install and install the application at first. So once you've installed the application, now tap on open, which is on the right side. And once you tap on open, if you already have an account, then you can go with your Google account, or you can also create a new account. So I'll be choosing my existing account and allow all of the things. And once you've allowed, now you will have this kind of interface, right? So in order to begin a new call on your Google Meet app, you need to tap on the bottom right, which has that new call option. Simply tap on new call. And now you may have an option of create link. If you have an option of create link, you need to simply create a link and then copy the link, and you can share it with your friends to whom you would like to add to your calls. So if you have that kind of interface, you can simply copy and share it. But if you don't have that, then you can simply go for create a group, and then you can create a group with 2 or 3 persons that you would like. So for example, I'll be choosing 3 persons and then tap on done, which is on the bottom. And now if you want to share the link, then tap on share, or you can just simply copy the link by simply tapping on copy. And here you will have 2 options. One is microphone and another one is video. So if you want to have the voice calls, then you can simply turn off your video and then you can have the voice call. But if you want to have a video call, then you can toggle on both of the options. So for now, I'll just showing you an example. So I'm just turning that off. And you need to simply go for start if you want to start the call. But if you want to add another persons, like if you want to add more members to your group, then you can simply go for copy and then you can share that to other friends, and then you can invite them to your call. So you can simply tap on start and then you can start. So in this way, you can use your Google Meet for voice and video calls. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.